Yeah, you want to make it right about, right next to it at a 45-degree angle.
Okay.
My name's Jayne Lacey, and I'm a certified arborist. I've pruned trees for 16 years. Sure. Good job.
Okay.
Well, I am the crazy tree owner of 30 fruit trees, and my passion is giving back, so I enjoy producing food to help feed my neighborhood and the community. Mulch is nice. Wood chips are usually free. We don't bury the trunk though, so I became a member of the Home Orchard Society because I read one of their newsletters on maintaining fruit trees. There's kind of a mystery around owning fruit trees, and I just wanted to be the best arborist I could be so I could help promote proper tree care for others, and it spawned a love of fruit production. You know, several times a year they benefit us, everything from floral to fruit to firewood. My child has the ability to climb fruit trees and pick the fruit and make memories that she'll have as an adult. What I do is just kind of like right in, just sort of, because I don't see the buttress here. As an arborist, there's a love that goes along with fruit trees, and it's more of a love and a hate relationship, because fruit trees are kind of like children. You have to pamper them and give them a good upbringing, and you have to maintain them all your life. They don't just go off on their own. And if they do go off on their own, it can be really overwhelming. So, you know, the finished product takes a lifetime, and it's a commitment a lot of people hesitate about and feel very overwhelmed. But for me, I understand the benefits of owning fruit trees, and I just want to do it the best way possible so that if I'm making a crisp or canning some food or sharing with my friends and family, that they know what real homegrown fruit tastes like.
Tell me what they decided last year.
You bet.